It's hard to believe it's been a full year since I posted these oven baked pork chops on the blog. You guys have made this my most popular recipe by far, so I figured it was finally time to show you how I make them. The secret to keeping them juicy comes down to a few key steps. First, make sure you pat the pork chops completely dry on both sides with a paper towel. This prevents them from steaming in the oven so they actually roast and brown properly. This is an important step that most people skip, but trust me, it's worth taking the extra time to do it. Next, drizzle them with olive oil to help everything stick and season generously on both sides. Top each chop with fresh minced garlic and a slice of butter. As they bake, that butter melts over the chops, coating them in a layer of fat that locks the moisture in and stops them from drying out. Now, if you want to take them to the next level, give them a quick pan sear first because we all know that brown equals flavor, but baking them straight on the pan still makes for a delicious, easy weeknight dinner win. Once they're done baking, let them rest for a few minutes. I know it's tempting to cut right into them, but you want those juices to stay locked inside. And don't forget to spoon those delicious pan drippings over the top, and dinner is served. You can find the recipe linked in the comments below.